Birthday, Nina Steph! Let's go! Let's go! Yes! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Para kay Steph. In behalf of your Atoy's Greenhouse family, we would like to, of course, to greet you and happy birthday, Steph. Teka lang. And also, G, pakiharap natin, Kay. Ayan, may sasabihin ako. Si Stephanie po ay isa sa pinakamabait na performer na nakilala ko. Oo, sa totoo lang po. Pinakamabait, actually maganda, masikip, maganda ang career. Maganda ang career niya, maganda ang laban. Nasa sa'yo na lahat. Ano pa ba ang wish ng isang Steph?
Ano lang, good health.
Oo.
Ayoko ng yumaman, yung gano'n. Ayoko